Let's discuss the .Fit Kids Complete multivitamin formula with choline that, when combined with diet, helps shore up the vitamin mineral intake from food alone to achieving the recommended vitamin mineral intake known as the recommended dietary allowances for children ages 2 to 11. As we all know, our bodies are made up of what we consume from our environment, and therefore, nutrition creates every part of our structure and health, including mother's consumed nutritional supply to a growing fetus. From day one, every part of our body's construction, so growth, development, and maintenance, is dependent on the indispensable actions of the vitamin minerals we ingest. And getting the right amounts daily to perform all this work is deemed necessary for proper development and long-term health. But sadly, study after study demonstrates virtually no one achieves the RDAs from food alone. Therefore, everyone should make the correction from the vitamin mineral content in foods to reaching the RDAs by regularly taking an inexpensive, low-dose, complete, not incomplete like found in the mass consumer channels, but complete vitamin mineral tablet. The strategically designed kids formula supplies vitamin minerals in amounts necessary to complement the vitamin mineral content from typical food intake of children. This complete kids formula contains, along with other often shorted vitamin minerals, the dietary guidelines for Americans' 6 nutrients of concern, except for calcium as mentioned. So choline, magnesium, vitamins A, E, and C are all contained with the others within the kids' corrective amounts when added to known U.S. and other Western nations' food vitamin mineral content. So very convenient. Choline bitartrate, rarely found in a multivitamin mineral. Choline is now considered an essential nutrient for proper muscle, liver, brain structure and functions, lipid metabolism, cellular membrane composition and repair. I mean, a whole bunch of stuff. Depending on the age group, over 90% of Americans and populations of other modern Western nations have been found to be dangerously below the established adequate intake. So as a final note to everyone regarding vitamin mineral intake, we have to all remember that nutrition creates the human structure and functional, including health, potential, meaning we are what we eat and become what we didn't. Of all human essential nutrition, vitamin minerals are the most difficult to attain in proper amounts, which are considered the RDAs, validated by the fact that virtually no one does from food alone, leaving us vulnerable at any life phase to creating a weaker than otherwise vitamin mineral dependent human structure, thus opening the door to much of what's wrong with today's human health, subsequent lifestyles, and early aging. These RDA amounts were not known or available during periods of significantly shorter lifespans, but are now known and necessary to support our current lifespan's potential health. Therefore, the simple action of lifelong complete vitamin mineral supplementation may inspire, through compounding enhanced structural integrity at each life phase, improved eating and movement behaviors. Because in fitness, one good turn leads to another.